why should you buy the iPhone 13 or not, I think I ain't gonna go to, well, from like one pimple to pimple, or ain't gonna go to the surface of its freckle. Well, I'll give you a suit of ultimate principle. If you should buy the iPhone 13, your iris device no longer your safe heaven. Because nowadays deluged with malwares and spywares, Trojan horses, stockwares, viruses, and things like that. And Apple had shifted its focus to something else, like Apple Car, the Titan project. They didn't give a shit about your safety. And number two, Apple nowadays they don't give a shit. They don't give a rat's ass. Like the rat named Jerry and Tom and Jerry, they don't give a rat's ass, Jerry's ass about your privacy. Imagine, hypothetically, someone just slipped. Well, knowingly, intentionally, unwittingly, inadvertently, I don't care. An AirTag, a viable AirTag into your purse, your car, your briefcase, and you are currently using something like this good friend of mine is Vivo V21 5G. But unfortunately, it's an Android device. Thus, it ain't gonna yell at you, beep, sir. There is an activated AirTag near you. You got to do something about it. Then you get screwed. The thing is that they never care, not in a million years, about your safety. What about you might have started to cry or weep, and you are overwhelmed with, the gratitude sensation about, well, they have just turned off the tracking feature from, or just hamstrung the capability to track you by those malicious apps, third-party apps like Facebook. They didn't do it for you. They did it for the sake of their wildest dream to dominate the market. Well, put simply, they want to beat the shit out of Mark Zuckerberg, that's all. Give a shit about you. Don't buy the iPhone 13. Why? Because you're going to be left behind. Once you used to be its precious guinea pig, so to speak, guinea pig, lab rat. And today, 6 years later, 7 years later, 10 years later, you're going to be like an old, useless hunting dog because you have lost some of your teeth. Imagine, nowadays, if you are the present owners of the first generation iPad, and if you're not lucky enough to put it in an auction and get $1 million, and you can't do shit with your first generation iPad. You can't even run, a rudimentary YouTube app or a PDF readers that you have previously purchased with your hard-earned money. Can't do shit with it. Imagine your iPhone 6s, 6s Plus with 16 gigabytes of RAM with a mysterious yellow bar, other storage, with no way to increase the internal storage. The storage is full, motherfucker. You gotta buy a new one. There's no hybrid SD cards, motherfucking slot. Who gives a shit? You can't increase storage. You're gonna have to buy a new one. You wanna know the iPhone 13? I know all the shit. Like Tyler Nosh, the rumors about the forthcoming in-screen in-display. They should have double that, bitten Apple, the iconic icon on the back at a fingerprint scanner 65 million years ago. And it couldn't, but it wouldn't. The thing is, you want to know the ultimate secret of being Apple? Why it's so successful? Because they always make their products incomparable. Wow. ProMotion motherfucking display. What is disparity or this discrepancy compared to one on the Xiaomi Mi 11 120 Hz display? Wow, the goddamn motherfucking ceramic shield, motherfucker. Ceramic shield. How can I compare this piece of shit with the Gorilla Glass Victus? The Gorilla Glass 6, 7X, 5, 9. What the fuck? Scott sensation up. So, you're gonna have to open your heart. It's no longer safe. with the novel Pegasus spyware. Thanks for watching.